Okay, so in this question, we have to factorize this, and then we can look at the choices to see which one is not a factor of this polynomial. So this is a quadratic-like polynomial, and the reason that this is quadratic-like is because this term is square of x squared minus 5 times x squared plus 4. So it's a quadratic-like equation because, if this is your new variable, right? So now you have your variable squared minus 5 times variable plus 4. So it's a quadratic equation, quadratic looking equation, actually. So to make things a little bit easier, I can just call this a new variable. So I can call this w, let's say, and this is the same thing. So this will be w. Now this will turn into this equation. It will turn into an equation written in terms of w, which is w squared minus 5 times w plus 4. Okay, and now I can find two factors of 4 such that the sum is the middle one, and the middle one is -5. So I can choose 4 and 1, and both of them should have the negative sign because when I add it, I will get -5. So therefore, I have now w minus 4, w minus 1 as a factor of this one, right? But I know what the w is, right? Because I made a substitution. So w is x squared. So instead of w, I'm putting here x squared back. So x squared minus 4, x squared minus 1. Now, each of this can be factorized. Each of this guy can be factorized, and those are difference of squares. And this is x minus 2, x plus 2, and then this is also x minus 1, x plus 1. So we have four distinct factors in this case. So now if you look at the choices, x plus 2 is a factor, x minus 1 is a factor, x squared minus 4 is also a factor, right? That's right here. But x squared plus 1, we don't see it, right? So x squared plus 1 is not a factor. So therefore, the correct choice here should be D.